Yo, welcome guys. Welcome to Web Devel Tips and Tricks. So today I will show you some keyboard shortcuts. So let's start. Firstly, press the Windows key and X key. So here dialog box will appear. It shows some keyboard shortcuts just like in programs and features. F is underlined. In power options, O is underlined. These are the shortcut keys of these buttons. So I will let you see some keyboard shortcuts. So firstly I will show you how to use it. So in programs and features, F is underlined, then press F. Programs and features in control panel will be opened. Here you can see all of the programs that you have installed or that are pre-installed on your PC. Now the second one, power options. O is underlined, then press O. Here it shows the power options. Now the third one. So I will not let you see everyone. I will show you some. So in system, Y is underlined, then press Y. It shows the view. It shows the basic information about your computer, just like a Windows edition, the system processor, installed memory, system type, and pen and touch, and computer name, full computer name, and computer description, work group, these. And it also shows the system type 64-bit operating system or 32-bit. Now the fourth one. Now I will show you network and connections. So here W is underlined, then press W. It shows network and connections. So it is showing VirtualBox, host only network, Ethernet. Ethernet is not connected, and VirtualBox host only network is enabled. That will enable your Ethernet, and Wi-Fi is it is connected, which and voucher. So it is showing. Now the fifth, command prompt, then press C. It will open your command prompt. Now you have seen the keyboard shortcuts that can be done with the Windows and X keys. Dialog box, here system. Here you can also shut down your PC by firstly pressing U, then again U, shut down. U is underlined. I will not let you because it will shut down my PC also. So then now I will show you some CMD tricks also. CMD means command prompt. So there are another keyboard shortcut that will let you open your command prompt. Firstly, press Windows and R, then type C, M and D, then press enter. It will open your command prompt, but it will open your command prompt, not administrator. Administrator version provides you more keyboard not keyboard shortcuts, more facilities. So now CMD tricks. So firstly type title, then space, then type the title, just like I type command prompt, then hit enter. It will change its title to command prompt, and you can also change it to any, just like you can also type a sentence. It's like it will show you a dummy sentence. now the other tricks. You will type COLOR, color. Then you can type O, then hit enter. It will show the color you can use. By typing 0, you will change the color black, blue, green, and these are the coordinates. So I will show you some. So I will show you color 1. It will convert into blue. Color 2. It will convert your text color into green. One more keyboard shortcut I want to show you, that open any of these, just like I will open programs and features. Now press Alt and F4. It will close it. Alt and F4 is a shortcut key to close anything. You can also shut down your PC, sign out your PC, and other things. Restart your PC with the Alt and F4 key. Now, see, it will exit OBS because OBS is currently active. So I will choose it no, and I cannot show you to how to shut down your PC, but I can tell you. Firstly, press Alt and F4. Then it will show the dialog box. Then in the drop down box, choose shut down. Then press enter. Then your PC will be shut down. Thanks for watching.